Unlock the power of real-time connection by mastering live meetups in your Kajabi community. First, log into your Kajabi account and navigate to your community dashboard from here. You'll want to go to the Events tab on the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your community's scheduled happenings are managed. To create a new live meetup, click on the prominent New Event button. This will open up a form to configure your event details. You'll need to give your meetup a clear and engaging title. Think about what will best describe the session next. Provide a thorough description. This is your chance to entice members, outlining what they can expect, the benefits of attending, and any specific topics you'll cover. Don't forget to set your event date and time, ensuring you choose a time zone that works for the majority of your members. Crucially, for a live meetup, select Live Meeting. As your event type, this tells Kajabi you're planning a real-time, interactive session. Then, you'll specify the duration of your meetup. Be realistic with your timing to ensure you can cover your content and allow for Q&A without rushing. Kajabi seamlessly integrates with popular webinar tools. You'll connect your preferred platform, like Zoom. By following the on-screen prompts, this ensures your live video feed and attendee management are handled smoothly. Now, decide who can access your meetup. You can make it public, visible only to your community members, or restrict it further if needed. Choose the option that best suits your community's membership structure. To make your event visually appealing, upload a captivating promotional image. This image will be showcased in your community feed, attracting attention and clearly communicating your event. Before you finalize, take a moment to preview your event details to catch any typos or missed information. Once you're satisfied, click Save. To create your live meetup, your event is now scheduled and ready for members to discover and join.